the future, that's anybody's guess. Ain't no good reason for getting all depressed. Fire up your pad and pencil, I give you a piece of my mind. In my opinion, nation, the sun is gonna surely shine. Stop all your fussing, slap on a smile. Come out and walk in the sun for a while. Don't fight the feeling, you know you wanna have a good time. And in my opinion, nation, the sun is gonna surely shine.
Baby, you're so sweet like honey.
Dough that is sour, that's what I want. This, Carrie, this is what I want for lunch. Where's the pepperons? I'll get them. These were created because a man named Ron liked them. This, oh, it's because it's melting. I was gonna say it's super squishy snow now, but if you listen, all you hear is the sounds of the water drips because it's melting. But look at this, it doesn't even feel that bad outside right now. I'm just in Dad's sandals. But isn't it glorious? And we don't get this often, so it's just like, enjoy the beauty. It's very nice to have you come back out again. Ooh, sounds like people are driving way too fast though. Isn't that funny? We don't need weeds in our bed. Wait, hold on. Do we want Jersey Mike's? No, because we have Texan Bryan. Yeah! Is that okay to say, Dad?
No.
Leaving the house for the first time since it all got crazy because Starbucks is open and it's worth driving 5 miles per hour to get to.
Like the brakes.
That's doing great.
The brakes doing that. It's called anti-lock brakes. And
do you have anti-lock
what cars
brakes?
used to do?
We did it, reunited, and it actually feels really good. Our stock has runneth low. We weren't planning for like till Tuesday, so we've made it to the store. But like, look at, since we don't have the little machines, you just gotta wait. I saw a thing that was funny today. It was like, Texas is so embarrassing. Their plan for ice and snow is wait till the sun comes out. Here goes Worlds. He just got the makings of pot pie. And now we go back into the wilderness. So we are reunited with our best friend.
And on this day, the god of Texas said, keep eating, keep buying toilet paper. So the story continues, and I'm making this chicken for chicken pot pie later tonight. In the country, Dee Dee.
World's not.
Are we getting Botox in the snow?
Worlds!
No. Winnie is going to our original veterinarian for a double check, and we have a change of medication.
Dad's in the mood to like cook, but isn't this beautiful? The frozen farm.
eating extravaganza continues again. And we are having a chicken pot pie. So there's our chicken from earlier. I'm gonna shred it up and I'm gonna use all that broth. And Kenzie's making Kenzie's buttermilk biscuits. Here's my pie. And Kenzie's carving out the openings on the top, the vents on the top. We're doing it this way, and then you just flip it around, and it's a...
Don't say it.
Wicked Witch!
My little artist. She's being me right now. She's like, okay, yep, get out of my way. So this one just came out, and these went in. Look how perfect they are. Swimming in butter. And those are Kenzie's
Biscuits.
buttermilk
Fluffy.
biscuits. I will eat 8.
You have extra flash? Turn that on.
This is a chicken pot pie. You're welcome.
It's Dad's world. We literally all are just living in it. Snow day. I haven't shaved since snow day began. I don't know if you can tell with the little grazies, but this is Dad, and it's 2 o'clock, and it's another day of school's canceled, and Dad's taking me to get my Starbucks, and the school just emailed and said, oh my gosh, we'll let you know.
We'll let you know by 5 o'clock tonight.
If school's gonna happen tomorrow.
Meanwhile, these are our ice streets. It looks like Elsa threw a tantrum.
She was awfully mad last night.
Yeah.
But this is nothing. This is like the entrance to the neighborhood, and so a lot of traction has been here. But within the neighborhood and the street, it's like this. A lot of snow, or icy snow. Ice, sleet.
Yeah, I mean, there would be asking kids to cross solid ice.
It's not gonna
in their
happen.
car.
And the other part is we don't have the sun is out, and it's like 35 degrees. So how is the snow gonna melt? Stay tuned.
And fix your hair. You're like a damn cockatoo.
I cannot be in the picture again. It's not Christmas. That was
This is my driveway after 4 days. Are you proud? World, you didn't tell me we had icicles in the front yard.
I was too busy using the bush to support
Oh,
myself.
those could hurt you if they fell on top of you, huh?
The cooking and the dishwashing extravaganza was on a little hiatus today because I needed a little break. But I'm about to unload the dishwasher again. And then school was canceled for Wednesday.
Thank God.
So I need to come up with a whole nother set of meals to feed my family.
Okay, world, it's day 5 of this nonsense. That means day 5 of not getting ready. No getting ready. I mean, like, I'm not even brushing my hair at this point. And school was just canceled again because there's nothing they can do about this. And, okay, obnoxious much. And so we just, while we wait for it to thaw, they just keep canceling school. And it's just not thawing. It's crazy. So will we go to school this week? That's your line is, who knows?
Who knows?
Oh yeah, Dad. Here Bryan stands. Stomp your foot. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
I know. Me and my snow baby in the snowmageddon in the sunset. He's just looking see. And he worked today. He traveled to work and he made it there. What should we have for dinner? Let's have something not like so heavy. We're going to the store after this too.
So I can't make pasta again.
No, Worlds. It's so beautiful. What makes it like this? God? Like painting?
Absolutamente.
No, really. What creates your sunset? And no, Dad, how does the sunset determine if it's going to be pretty or not?
It's light bouncing off of
The planets?
stuff in the air.
Oh, wow. This is pretty. There's a lot of people taking pictures and videos out here. We are all one.
I would love to tell you the backstory there.
Worlds.
Once upon a time,
These
there
we're talking
was a
about lesbians.
lesbian relationship.
Whoa, Dad,
Trapped
look.
in the shadows.
No, look.
Wow, it's so pretty. It's better than my story. I'll stop.
Okay, this is actually really cool looking. It's beautiful. Looks like we're on fire. Sexy. This is what my mind actually sees when I look at this, though. Do not slip into it, but the top of the lake is frozen. See how the water's moving over there? Dad, you are, like, asking for it. Poor ducks, they're probably so cold. Okay, go. Whoa! That's a ball. That is so cool. I can't believe it froze over. But if we ice skated, it would probably break through. No thanks. Frosty says that the sunset's getting prettier by the moment.
Look at the ducks. They hit the ice and turn around.
Eating the ice and getting a few little groceries. Let's see what they have. We just got the groceries from the store and look at the... Oh, Dad, don't fall. Did you? No. You like the snow logo, the Mercedes logo.
And tonight's dinner, did I make these? No. But I made this. And this is my wedge of Parmesan. I wish you could smell it.
This is the bank and it's in America. These are the main roads today on day, I don't even know, 5, 6 of Dad's Slush World. But the parking lots are still icy-micey like that. Dad, what do you think of your snow journey on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh, it's been a total 10.
Dad! Little by little, it is all melting away. And our school district just sent another email and said, we'll get back to you on if we're going to cancel school again. That would be 4 canceled days. I'm ready to get my life back. I need a schedule. My iPhone this morning, it said, change in calorie burning. You are burning far less calories this week. Yeah, because I'm sitting on my butt all day, not doing anything because it's icy and grossy. I'm not moving and working and doing all the things. Cool.
And yes, we still haven't stopped eating, but we're eating a little healthier right now. It's what we're having.
Hey, from the people on Sunshine Way. Dad and me are going to go on a nice long walk. I need a break from cruise editing. It sucks the living creativity out of my brain. Oh, what a cute, oh, man. And then we're going to run errands because it's like errandable. That's the road, but the streets are finer. Let's go down. Your name is Joe. Let's get ready to do some trading. Dad made it down to Trader Joe's. Two things. We're ready for school to be back in. Today's Wednesday. 30 days of canceling. Looks like this. That's Dad. He's taking us to the store. We're going to get beans for white chicken chili. We also watched Too Brave.
I am so sick of the cooking extravaganza though.
Me too. We watched Megan 2.0 and it was really good. But the point is, they canceled school again for tomorrow. Again. Like, that's crazy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I mean, whatever. Hey, look at, that's my dad. I married him. Look at, he doesn't even age. He's so cute. He's making potato fries and chicken. And
I'm making multiple things actually.
We tried these. They're gluten-free. They're awfully good.
Yeah.
Haven't used that pun in a while. Winnie, I think, is doing better. Winnie, are you doing better? Okay, good.
Get a close-up of her booty.
I know.
The never-ending eating extravaganza / cooking extravaganza continues. I am making chicken in the crock pot again because I'm gonna turn half of it into white chicken chili. And I would like to go on the record saying that Dee Dee did approve this dinner. We are having fried chicken strips. Bless you. Kenzie's making ranch. This is in the crock pot. I'm about to start battering these. And these are in the oven. Ah! And Dee Dee looks over and goes, "What stinks?" I know, Kenzie's friend joined us for dinner, and so I got all distracted being hostess. But that's it. And Kenzie made the ranch. But we're not done yet. We're having white chicken chili tomorrow, so let's mess up the kitchen again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Boom! This was our chicken from the crock pot. I'm gonna use half of it for the chili. And that is my white chicken chili.
Oh my god, you're cute.
And now I wanna go to bed. Did I say that's for lunch tomorrow? I don't know. That's for lunch tomorrow.
Hi, I'm still standing. Hey. And this is what I'm eating. The chicken chili of the white chicken chili. Hold your phone still. The ice is disappearing. And the school is back open tomorrow for one day. Then it's the weekend. Look at best friends.
Winnie is
Back.
90% back, and Lisa Rinna just realized she looks like a Converse shoe.
Can we stop for 5 seconds in the middle of Traders to give a round of applause because school goes back in tomorrow after a week? And can we give a round of applause for everything that this man made us to eat in this last week? And you know what? An applause is great, but it's not enough. We need a slideshow of every single thing this man fed his family.
A slideshow, a recap.
Dad, literally, I salute you. I toast you. I tip my hat to you. Thank you for all the delicious food.
I will accept your salute, your toast, and your hat tip. Thank you.
You're very sexy.